Let's do stuff 42 minutes later than I wanted to. 42. Alright, that's working. This is probably working. Alright. Oh, that is really far back. Well, let me refresh. Good 30-second delay on Twitch. That's okay. Let's keep going. Oh, jeez. Aspen just went live too. That's funny. Hey, what's going on, man? How you doing? Let me close some of this stuff. Yes, save. That's fine. Okay. Good, I'm doing okay. Just looking at the next stuff I'm working on here. And the next stuff I'm working on here is, let's go to the Trello thing. I'm probably gonna have I'm probably gonna make the loading screen change a little bit. I didn't work on this yesterday. I was working on other not code related stuff yesterday. Hard school day? Yeah, man. I feel that. I understand that. What was hard about it? Just the topics or just the social environment was BS? Hey, Mihoru, what's going on, man? Oh, it's a 2D or a 2.5D RPG with heavy influence from a non-Roblox game called MapleStory. If you want to try it out, here's a link to it. Here you go. If I can actually spell it right. Oh, give me a second, Mihoru. I'm reading your other message on Discord now. Alright, for now I'm just gonna make the summon, well, for now, when I work on it tomorrow, I'll just make the summon do, like instant. I won't even do any kind of animation for it. We can add the animation later. It's not a big deal though. Okay. Have you? Nice. You'll play my game too if you've been playing MapleStory, and tell me stuff that you want me to do. Oh yeah, and it's not a mobile game. It's just a computer game. I'll be making a mobile game too, but for now this is not a mobile game. I would have to overhaul the entire UI to make it a mobile game, and I'm not going to do that. Maybe I'll hire a scripter to sift through my code and try to do it, but it would take quite a while. Hey, Snotty, what's going on, man? What do you mean put a link for the loading screen? So keep in mind too, like you cannot play it on a phone. It's only for PC right now. Life is life. Life is going. Just gonna work on Acorn Adventure a bit. I might actually. So I'm gonna help Mihoru out with his game a little bit. I'm I might try to play a new game that well, it's a new game. It's in beta, and I hope I can do it. I don't know if it's like an open beta, but it like allowed me to download it, so maybe I can. If I can play it, then I'll play the beta on stream. It's not gonna be a Roblox stream. It'll be for that new game called, what is it? Etheria Restart or whatever it is. Yeah. It's a new phone gacha game that is in the final beta as of tomorrow, I believe, or tonight sometime. Don't really know anything about it, other than I think it's some kind of turn-based game, which is stuff I like, so I like that kind of stuff. But this time I'll give all my initial thoughts and everything too while I'm playing. Let's see, let's go to Trello, let's go to the code. Okay, right, and down here, this is where I want to modify stuff. Yeah, I mean, that's another thing. I kind of want to make a turn-based game, like that you'd be able to play on the phone on Roblox too, but I don't know how much people actually like turn-based games on Roblox. I mean, I get that. I guess that one really popular game is turn-based. The one that's is that the only really popular turn-based game actually? I forget what it's called. The one where you like throw things. It's like, it seems to be based on like the really old style turn-based games. I forget what the game is called. I'm horrible. Places. If I can put the loading screen. Oh wait, there is no loading screen for this yet. Let's do loading screen is equal to that. Then go to starter GUI. Loading screen GUI. I don't think anybody sent me any loading. Any images for. Actually, no. I did get an image. I did get images. Never mind. I think Henry sent me a few. And by a few, I think he sent me like 2. One, well, yeah, 2, but one was another one for the main hub. I'm okay with that. I'll have to edit this one. I'll edit this and then I'll bring it in. But for now, let me grab this and put it here. self.gui.frame.image label is equal to self.modules.module shared places, and this is going to be place ID. It is game.place ID. Awesome, that's really cool. Again, place ID dot loading screen. Or blank. Okay. Yeah, I could do something like that, like a credit. I'd have to think of it. I wouldn't want to be super obnoxious with it. But that's not a terrible idea. I'll think of something like that actually. I'll figure something out for that. You're making my brain churn a little bit. Hey, I'm working on Acorn Adventure, a 2.5D RPG that I made with some help from chat. Let's go here. Okay, loading screen. Let's make this next thing. So I'm gonna download or save image, sure. Load images, sure. This is gonna be underground load 001. Yeah, so solo dev, but some people in chat do help me. Sometimes they model stuff for me. Snotty actually builds maps for me. Helps me a lot. Why is this in WinRAR? 1 second. This was... I got bamboozled here. 1 moment. Darn you, Henry. No. Was it underground load 001? Yeah, there you go. Save. Let's try to see that again. Okay, there you go. Now it's working. Open with GIMP. We're going to open GIMP. So let me get this straight. You didn't go to school because you poisoned yourself so that you wouldn't have to go to school. Is this on purpose? Is this on purpose? Do I have to call someone? Is this an FBI moment? FBI open up? Huh? Huh? Oh, so he didn't do it on purpose. Okay. Likely story. Likely story. But I'll believe you for now. I hope your stomach gets better, man. What was... Let me get the size of this thing. Image, canvas size. Alright, so width is 1919, height is 767. And we're working on 1920 by 1080 versus 1280 by 720. All right, let's height 720. Do I want this to be... I don't even know if I want to change this too much. How would this look? Hey, what's going on, Lix? also, Dark Dog, yeah, you can check it out by going to this link here. Give me a sec here. Once I can spell correctly. There you are. You can check out the game there. Let me know if you have any problems with it. Loading screen is not in the game yet. I'm working on that now, and then I'll work on a few other little minor bug fixes. Once I'm done with the minor bug fixes, I'll probably push those minor bug fixes, and then I'll start working on the big boss boy. Alright, yeah, I'm gonna try to make it so it's just this. But in exchange, that's gonna be fit, and X size here is gonna be 1. Yep. Or let me try 0.95, maybe even 975. Yeah, that might be fine. I'll have to test with the other image. Yeah, don't stalk Snotty. Only I can stalk Snotty when I'm waiting for stuff for him to complete. I'm making him work, guys. Oh, I'm horrible. Anyway. Let's go back here. What was the thing I was doing now? I have to do image or view, or no, select. Select feather. Oh, I have to actually select it. Expand from center. Oh, you know what? I have to do like guides, right? New guide. There you go. Image, new guide. Sorry, I'm not reading chat. Give me one moment. Vertical. Alright. It's going to be kind of like that. We're gonna select feather. Select feather. Alright. Select invert. Delete. What the hell is that? Over here too. Oh. That's fine. Let's try this. File, export as to one second. No, who is this? Give me one moment. Sorry about that. That was not technically spam. Let's export this thing. Oh, who am I banning? Who am I banning? I don't even see him. Oh, yeah, this guy's gotta go. Yeesh. This is what I get for only having one Hey Bob. What's going on, man? I'm gonna have to add more mods. Let's go back here. And any second now. Cool, cool. Copy ID to clipboard. Let's try. That's not too bad, right? Yeah, man, I need him. I absolutely need him. I've on multiple occasions I've gotten people being like, "Yo, I can't move, I can't move," and they literally just have to wait a few seconds. All right, so good. So we got this loading screen is fine now. Let's make sure that it's in the code too. Okay. So we've got the two loading screens. Every subsequent area will have a loading screen. Unfortunately, I'm not going to animate the loading screen now. All I have, like what I have here is I already have this done. So if I go into the game now, it'll load, it'll get the image, should get the image unless it errors out. Okay, so yeah, it actually messed up for me. So let me try to fix that again. But you could see like on the bottom it kind of showed everything. Initialize. Print. Oh, let's first do this. Print game.place ID. Print this table. Let's see if this even does anything. Am I not connected? Oh yeah, I'm not connected. Okay, yeah, that'll do it. Alright, so if I play... Okay, yeah, I got some kind of error here. Great. Oh, what? I got that part wrong? Image label is not a valid member of frame. Wait for child. Image label, maybe. Local image is equal to that. Image dot Image, right? Image. Okay. Okay, it worked this time. So yeah, you can play the game. It's released in beta. I'm working on the loading screen now. I'm going to be working on a few of the bugs that have been brought to my attention already. Some of the bugs I will not be working on, but there are other bugs that do kind of have to be fixed. Let me just check this one more time so I can see it. Just want to make sure you don't see. Okay, you do see this. That's annoying, actually. Okay, so what I have to do here then is I have to delete this by default. Alright, man. Have a good one. Right. Thanks, man. Yeah, please let me know if you have any suggestions or any issues or anything like that. Actually, let me see this. No, that's fine. That's fine. It centers it perfectly. Okay, sure. There you go. Okay, so now all I have to do is basically save the code in the other place. So let's move on to the next thing. All right, before we go into game breaking bugs. Loading screens, mark complete. Just move it here. Oh, right, the reset button. Let me work on actual bugs first. I can't confirm trade sometimes. Yeah, I'm pretty sure I fixed that one. Yeah, I know. It's really annoying. I don't quite know why the client's loading so well. It's because if you're going in and nobody else is there, it's because you also have to wait for the server to load. So you're waiting for the server and then you're waiting for the client. So it's a twofer. But yeah, the loading screen is necessary. Like even when I'm testing on Studio, and Studio is supposed to load really quickly. Even when I'm testing on Studio, I need the loading screen because it still shows up like wait. It still has me waiting for a few seconds. And likely what that wait is while I'm initializing all of the scripts, I do have task.waits in there if I'm waiting specifically for certain things to load. Like certain folders need to be in the right spot, and so it's understandable that it is taking a little bit. When you go in though, you can actually see what is loading, or with the load screen, you can actually see what is loading. And so if there is actually some kind of thing that is just not efficient, I can if people notice that it's loading longer when it's like doing stuff for the player, then if people let me know that, then I can take that into account. Okay, so compress except through the input amount frame in trade menu, which is a problem. press accept through input amount frame in trade menu. Let's figure that out. I'm kind of dreading trying to figure this out, but all right. Actually, let me look this up. This might be a very easy solution, actually. Roblox sync inputs through frame. Oh, wait, this is really annoying. This is really annoying because this applies to like a bunch of different frames. Okay, I'm going to do this. So in code, happy to hear it, Licks. Yeah, let me know other things as you play it. If you want to play it a little bit longer, there's a few quests in it. The quest should get you to if you do them once each, the quest should be able to get you to at least level 9, which is the level you need to complete. Which is the level you need to reach to be able to accept all the quests, basically. And then afterward is basically having to go underground and complete a few story quests, which the story quests aren't in the game yet. The story's not in the game yet. I'm probably going to do the boss and the story quest situation at the same time, which means it'll take a little bit more time because I have to figure out how to do cutscenes. But once I do figure that out, we're going to have a grand old time. It's going to be great, totally. Let me see this. I just want to make sure it works again. Oh, it's like not in the... That's really annoying. The retopology thing? What's scuffed with retopology? Let me see what's scuffed with retopology. As long as everything is 4, you're fine. You will have situations when you do retopology where you have to go check faces and make sure faces are all outward. Or like it's all blue, not red. Keep that in mind. Oh, wait, yeah, you have a situation here where you have 5. Yeah, there's a pentagon over here. You did not... Yeah, you absolutely did not need that pentagon. There's 2 pentagons, actually. 1, 2, 3, 4... There's a hexagon here, too, dude. There's a pentagon, there's a hexagon... Basically, at the end, if you have one piece that's 3 and just make a triangle, that's fine. But you should not have pentagons and you should not have hexagons. Above. This is a hexagon over here. You have a the other one where you asked me, is this right? You have another pentagon over there. You love your pentagons, man. Yeah, I've been doing retopology a little bit longer, that's why. Once you do it for a little bit, you'll be like, oh yeah, that's the problem. Alright, let's go back. You don't know how to what? To fix it? Delete the face and add another point or something. Like for hexagon, you just have to split it and you have two right? It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You go 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, for hexagons, you literally just cut it in half, and it's two squares. Oh yeah, things happen. It's all right. It's all good. Even I don't know. Like I don't know how to fix when you have 3 at the end. I don't know how to fix that. Though I'm sure there's a way. I just never looked it up. Okay, where is this initialized? I want this to happen way before. So yeah, what happens if I do this? If I save this here, now I go here, how quickly does this load? It still took quite a bit of time. That's actually really annoying. Here's the thing, technically this can be like really far up here, but I won't have the GUI yet because it wouldn't, the import tables wouldn't have gone through yet. Loading screen. We're gonna be doing Modules, get descendants. Oh, okay. Maybe I do this up here. And then I move services up here. Yeah, I'll have a better tutorial set up in the future, which will have more things like that that'll tell the kids what to do. But yeah, thanks, Licks. Thanks, appreciate it. I appreciate the good words. I'm just gonna stop doing this because this is gonna be funny just watching you react to it. Oh man, you missed two of them. Also, you made a new one. Actually, you always had that. You you got rid of one pentagon and created like 6 of them. I didn't even notice this one, but now I see it. Here's another one. It's all good, dude. Yeah, you'll get it. You'll get it. I have no doubt. Oh yeah, I'll take a look. I'll take a quick look at your game licks as well. Just let me get the loading screen fixed on my end. Player GUI. Wait. Module client player GUI initialize services modules. Can I do this up here actually? man. Module client player GUI. Where is it? Do I even use it? No, I don't even use the folders. So get rid of folders. There's no reason for it. Over here too, get rid of folders. I don't think folders are really necessary like this. I mean, they are for other things, but I shouldn't have done it like this, but I'm going to keep it now. Yeah, I believe it. I'll go into it and I'll take a look at just the beginning at least. Like you guys got a lot of players already though, so it's not like my little input will help you at all. But I will still check it out. It's Dubai roleplay. No, I'll show it on screen when I go into it real quick. Oh, nice. I might have to do that soon. Although I'll have to have my full tutorial out by the time I do something like that. I don't really want to advertise my game until I have at least a tutorial and 2 areas out. I'm gonna be honest, Bob. Didn't think you'd have issues with the pentagons and the hexagons, especially the hexagons. The hexagons, you literally just split it in half and they're good. I didn't think you'd have issues with pentagons, though. The ones I would think you'd have issues with are the triangles, which are basically just pentagons, but you put a slash through them. Because that's what I have issues with sometimes. But yeah, usually if you have multiple pentagons, you can just finagle your way around it and make it work. Yeah, they can be harder to see. Let me see how quickly or slowly this loads. It's... Okay, we got an error. Module client player GUI, okay. I moved this before this. Okay, let's try that again. It's Dubai RP. So it's a roleplay game. Index nil with frame. Right, because the GUI is not set up yet. That's... That's something I wanted to fix here under initialize. Wait, model client loading screen 37. Loading screen 37. It can't find self.gui because import tables hasn't happened yet. Duh. My gosh. Duh. client player. Okay, load screen GUI. So I'm gonna have to make it so that this isn't a thing here. It's gonna be services, modules. That's it. Services, modules. Okay. Test that again. So the player itself is loaded. All right, is there a replicated first thing? Yeah, replicated first. Local script. I guess I'm gonna have to have something here. Let's do loading screen script. What am I doing here? No, get out of here. Delete, 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 delete. Don't do it here. Do it in here. I have to create. Where is it? Default project. I have to create a replicated first thing in JSON. I'm playing it after I figured this out, probably. Yeah, I'll play it a little bit after I figure out the loading screen and make sure that it loads at the right time. So it works now, but it doesn't start at the right time. It starts after, and you can like see stuff, and it's not very professional, guys. All right, I don't like it. Service, replicated storage. It's gonna be before replicated storage. It's gonna be replicated first. It's gonna be path shared / replicated first shared add folder replicated first. Cool. Ignore unknown instances true. Beautiful. Okay, now under replicated first, we're gonna add module client, just to keep it consistent. Module client load screen script. Doesn't matter, because I'm not gonna call it anywhere else. Basically, this is what I want. Copy, paste. I don't need services at all. Local player is equal to game. Local players is equal to game get service players. Players at local player GUI is equal to player Find first child player GUI. While player GUI is equal to nil, do same thing. Sorry, I'm not reading chat. Oh yeah, I know. Well, the first video I'm gonna make is not necessarily a tutorial. I guess it is. The first video I'm gonna make is how to set up, what's this called? VS Code with Rojo with Roblox. That's the first one I'll make. Although someone already technically did make one, I'll make one too. Why not? I can give them a few good reasons to actually use it. Rojo is amazing. Yeah, so my problem is I don't commit very often. I save it here and in fact I have to do that. Like I have 267 changes that I have to update. Or to commit. Let's say player GUI is that. Yeah, you definitely have to commit all the time. I don't even really know how that would work with multiple people. Like, I'm literally just doing it for Roblox and for Roblox alone, so I have no idea how multiple people committing really works and doesn't like mess with things. Hey, what's going on, man? Local camera is equal to that workspace current camera. Okay. Local GUI is equal to player GUI find first child loading screen GUI while GUI is equal to nil, do copy end. Luckily, so I'm reading your chats now. That's what the. Yeah, I agree, Henry. Your brain is kind of like that a little bit. Go for it, Bob. Do it. I think, I mean, again, I haven't used VS Code to work with others before, but I think the point would be more like, when it comes to Roblox, if you're using VS Code to push things, again, I don't know how you'd be able to work on things at the same time. Whereas if you're just in Roblox, you can literally type things somewhere and another person can see you typing that thing, and it's just a lot more convenient to work with it like that. Like, yeah, if you have a way more professional setting where it's like, okay, Joe Schmo works on this specific script, no one else works on that specific script, then that's fine. But if you have like a group of 4 or 5 friends trying to work on the same script, then it becomes impossible, as far as I'm aware. Like, if it is possible, then I don't know. Yeah, yeah, and it works like it works good like that. But that's I think that's the I think that was probably Snotty's point with just the convenience of working with Roblox on a team, like working within Roblox. Yes, Henry. Oh, I got your. By the way, Henry, I got your image into the loading screen thing, so that's in there now. Um, local resolution is equal to camera dot viewport size. You don't have to do this at all. It's all automatic, at least for now. Which code are you talking about, Henry? You don't need resolution. Are you kidding me? I didn't need this at all. Okay, we're gonna get rid of that then. Oh, the audio thing. No, I haven't even taken a look at it yet. I'll do that after this. Because honestly, wait, which audio? So were you fixing the audio bug, or were you doing the GUI audio stuff? Yeah, I'll definitely change it when I get my grubby little paws on it. Grubby little mitts. Okay, for now this can be blank actually. And GUI. Okay. Move it down here. Okay, this is going to be blank for now. Okay, this is actually fine. And then I can still do the same thing elsewhere, so this is going to be good. How long am I going to be streaming? Probably A few more hours, probably. And depending on when that other game I was talking about comes out, I might stream tonight too, but you guys will be asleep by then. Specifically, you, Snotty, Bop will almost certainly all be asleep. I don't know if I'll stream, but we'll see. A few as in 3? A few as in, yeah, but probably like 2, maybe 1.5. We'll see. We'll figure it out. We'll see if I get hungry early. I'm doing 3. I have early dinners, you know that, right? I like my dinner. I like my dinner at a reasonable time. Or I can start doing mukbangs where I just chow down. You can just hear me going just chomping. Make your ears bleed. Alright, so this is actually not bad. Now if we go here and we go to initialize, I can be like... That's fine. Alright, well, for starters, nothing is in replicated first right now. Nothing actually changed. There it is. Okay, now it's... Oh, it's a module script. That's not correct. Where is it? This thing... Oh, init client, right, okay. So it has to be dot client dot luau. Okay. There you go. Let's try it. Oops. I'm waiting for child and replicated first. Ha ha, very funny, Henry. Yeah, that is cool about there's a bunch of things cool about VS Code. The fact that you can work on it when Roblox is down, the fact that you see everything's saved locally just in case you can't, like, unless you actively delete it, it's all good. The fact that you can pull it up on any PC with no issues. The linters, like, there's good stuff. Hey, Rusaki, what's going on, man? All right, Henry. Gotta take you off your high horse. Oh, wait. How about, what if I do this? If I put this here. And instead of that, now we have liquid GUI is equal to put it in there. Script find first child loading screen GUI. Script find first child. GUI dot parent is equal to player GUI. Print 2, print 1. Yo, it worked. All right. Cannot create a toolbar button at this time. Client. Cloud. This is not my problem. What is this? Can you not give me errors that I can't fix? Thank you very much. Oh my gosh. Look at this. What is this? What is this BS? Cannot create a toolbar button at this time. I don't need to create a toolbar button at this time. Okay, so now what happens when I go in? Everything's replicated first. We go here. Oh, there was some weird thing popping up there. Let's try it again. That was really weird, and I don't think I can change it, so it's gonna stay. Let me do it again. Close. Play. Oh, Henry, I probably do have some stuff for you to work on, actually. I have to think though. Let me see the other bugs and stuff. I'm not gonna make you work on bugs, but who is this, Bob? What'd you send me, Bob? Oh my gosh, Bob. Oh my gosh, Bob. I'm just gonna circle it for you again. You don't need to have this many things here, by the way. You can get rid of them. Get rid of a lot of things. Sometimes getting rid of stuff is better. I'm just gonna circle the big parts. It's because it's two right next to each other. It's this and this. And there might be more. I'm just not looking that much once I find one. Hey, Mr. Fun Computer. Computers are indeed fun. Computer. Alright, so we go these are all pretty much good. I don't need to worry about printing 1 or 2 right now. I don't think I use services at all here. So I'm going to remove those. All right, be back soon. I'll see you soon, Henry. You could get started on pets, but the things I would need you to work on pets would be the modeling and the animation, because I need to figure out the code myself. It's a little bit more complicated. Oh, bop. All right, that should be loading screens good for now. What's next? Should I work on the next thing now, or should I play Dubai RP for a sec, for a little bit? Or should I play it after the next thing? Dubai. Okay, let's do that then. Do I have to close anything here? My computer's getting a little bit hot. Maybe let's turn on the fan or something. Discard changes. Roblox player. It's gonna make me update stuff. Hope not. Okay, yeah, you don't have to be joining me. I'm checking it out. We playing some games. I'm gonna keep my game in the top corner though. It's not an option. Oh gosh, configuring Roblox. We all love doing. Oh wait, starting maybe. Oh, all right. Okay, all right. Okay, all right. Look at that. Look at this beautiful thing. 854 active. 86% upvotes. Game Over Productions. Well, let's check it out. I've never been to Dubai, but now I can say I have. Oh, we got some... I'm confused. How is this possible? Okay, so just so you guys know what's going on, I have music playing now from the game, but it's coming from my laptop. But whenever I have my laptop hooked up to my other screen, the music should be coming out of the other screen, so now I'm really confused. It also means the desktop audio that you guys should be hearing from OBS is not coming through, so let me, I guess, change to the other one. Yeah, oh my gosh, that looks loud. That looks really loud. Okay, let's make it not be as loud. Okay. Let's press to play. Let's go. Hey, look at that. Yo, I'm big. I'm a big boy. Yikes. You guys modeled this off of like actual Dubai, right? Also, can I swim or do I walk on top? Oh, I swim. Or maybe I don't swim. I don't know. Oh, yeah, look at that. Look at that. That's beautiful. All right, let's the beach, the Dubai beach. I can't see anything because my my render distance is completely terrible. Oh, let me actually do this here. Hey Bop, what's going on? I see you. Let's go to performance stats and increase graphics quality. And can I handle it? The answer is no. Yeah, this is really bad. Wow. No, not the game. My ability to play the game is really bad. Maybe I'll make it go even lower. So this is not necessarily an issue with the game. It's just my PC is kind of crap. So it's okay. It's all good. I can't go in here. I feel betrayed. I'm just gonna check things around because I'm not a role player. Look around, be like, "Hello, guys. Hey, it opened." I'm gonna. Okay, this is Yo, Roblox, fix your thing. Okay, so here's a thing that I found on Roblox before, and it's happening now again. What did you say? What did you say, Bob? So the problem is you can see my CPU and GPU, right? 68, 67. So what Roblox does is like if you at any point. Oh wait, why is my graphics quality back up here again? If you at any point like maxed out your graphics, it'll like completely mess up. It'll completely mess with your CPU and GPU. Like it doesn't, and it'll like continuously go up too. It's like really annoying. It's weird. It might be fine now. But okay, no, yeah, now it looks like it's a-okay. Yeah, so to test it out, because I literally tested this on a base plate game, a game with literally just you in it. I tested it in a base plate game. You go into the game, and you oh my gosh, no, don't run me over. Oh gosh, oh no, oh no. You go into a game, you max out the graphics, you wait like a minute, then you minimize the graphics and just watch the graphics play like dance around with itself. It's really weird. Yeah, you can't add gambling in. Actually, you probably could put gambling in Roblox games as long as it's rated 18 plus now, right? I wouldn't because I think I guess technically gacha is also gambling, so or actually I'm sorry, no. I think technically gacha is not gambling. Technically, but everybody knows it is. Let's go gambling. Just checking things out. Let me close this. Homes, house, Sunset Villa, Stone Ridge, Pine Lodge. We're gonna Ocean Crest For sale. Select. That's my place. That's my place. Look at that. Oh, geez. Do I got a car now? Do I not have a car? I want a car. Hooray! All right. This looks pretty good. Damn, dude. I want a room like this. Is this what it's gonna be in the future? By the way, we all live in like 3 feet by 3 feet little apartments, and we play games like this to pretend that we own stuff. You gotta role play a family, man. You gotta role play a family. I ain't doing that, but I'm just checking things out. I'm checking on how good it looks. So that's a. Oh no, the carpet's on fire. I mean, I guess it's fine, but like, could probably fix that. Looks good though. Generally, really like. Other than the fire, everything looks pretty good. What's this? What's this? Oh, it's my bathroom. Wait, is that toilet in the wall? Okay. Sure. Hey, yes. I love it when my head goes right into this. This is giving me anxiety. Have you guys ever had a bath where you like go in the bath, you try to lay down, and your head hits the thing? Your head hits the spout, the water spout. It's giving me anxiety, man. New toaster. I have to think of what snotty means. I forget. I think it's a code word, but I'll figure it out in a sec. Alright, this is... Oh, that went outside too. Jeez, okay. This goes outside as well. Got a little balcony over here. It's beautiful. It's beautiful. Hey, where's my pool? Where's my pool? Oh wait, no, this is the front of the house. Where's the back of the house? You go to the back of the house, get to my pool. Wait, there's no pool. No! Maybe I have to pay Robux to get a pool. That's okay, that's okay. Confirm, I'll join Bob's family, sure. We're a family now, Bob. You see this? Got no pool. Pay for a pool. I think it is... Old and forget. Yeah, I'm... Wait, where's my mouse? Okay, there it is. Oh, that was funny. I got stuck on something before, or maybe it was just, interesting. I'm gonna try to I'm gonna try to break your game, man. Let me see, F9. Oh. Nice. That's okay. You dancing? Are you schmoovin', Bob? Where's my emotes? I haven't even checked yet. Let me see. Let me see stuff outside. Out here. Let's get out here. Let's get out here. Roles. Police officer. How long do I have to wait? Inventory, homes. Oh, this one. Ooh. Bop, get off of me. The shift. Floss dance. I'm gonna murder someone because of this dance. Not actually, but... I'm gonna learn how to dance using Roblox dance stuff. This is pretty cool. I like this. I like this. Bop and break dancing in front of me. Pretty funny. Pretty good. Pretty cool. Gotta keep doing push-ups. Gotta keep doing push-ups. That's cool. That's cool. Absolutely. Gotta work out in Roblox so that my avatar IRL gets stronger. Alright, inventory. I got an apple, I got a baby. Why do you have a baby? Oh no. Beauty. That's cool, that's cool. Alright, so inventory, it's exclusively RP stuff. I don't RP though, so let's do... I'm gonna be a criminal. There you go. I'm a criminal. Bop is the grandmother, I'm the mom. Oh, it's funny. So far, so good. Cool. Map. Oh, jeez. Oh, my render distance doesn't allow me to see everything. Ah. Okay. Let me make my computer slow to a crawl for a few seconds while I look at everything. Oh yeah, oh geez. That's really cool. I like that building, that's cool. Okay, come on. Okay, I assume the desert is the end of the line. Under construction stuff. Cool, cool. Oh, so just where all the houses are. Okay. Alright, so far so good. I'm liking it. Yeah, really big map. Beautiful. Oh my gosh, this thing's massive. You might not want to be able to do this though. But it looks really good. Yeah, man. Modern maps? What do you mean modern maps? So, Bob, I think I might have to re-explain to you what my game will allow me to do. So there would be a certain point of the game where when you get to it, you get to go to different like universes and different like dimensions and stuff like that. That means I can do literally anything. I can get any map builder and be like, make the map you want to make, and I can include it in my game. But I do have to make sure that it has the linear direction, like you can only go in a square, things like that. As long as you can only go in a square and it has like the regular 2.5D stuff that I need, then I could like the style could be whatever. Yeah, the map is pretty cool. I mean, you just put the camera up, so it's not the most what's it called? Efficient, but it's good. It serves its purpose. Yeah, yeah. So that's actually kinesis is what I was thinking of when you mentioned that too, Bob. So it you wouldn't start in a different place. Like you'd always, as like when you first joined the game, you'd always join. After I have the tutorial set up, you'll join on the tutorial map. You'll go through the tutorial, then you'll go to Spring Island, then you go through that, and you. But there's a certain point at which you get through the story, and you get to be able to visit other areas. I might, in the long run, reduce the levels of certain things to make you get to that place faster. Because as it is now, that place will be around like level 80 or something. As it is now, like between level 80 and level 100. Yeah, I can get back to Acorn Adventure. But yeah, good game looks. I like it so far. I'm not big on role playing, but yeah, this is pretty neat, pretty neat. All right, I'm out. I've been doing push-ups this entire time as a criminal. I'm leaving. Bye. Well, leaving the experience. I'll be back to here. Yeah. Yeah, fair enough, fair enough. Yeah, anytime, man. All right. I already told you to take a few pictures. You only took two, but that's fine. I'm talking to Henry right now, by the way. But it's fine because I'm only gonna have one for now. Only have one per area for now, anyway. Um. Okay, okay. I'll have a damn look at Discord. Oh. It. I will get to it. I will get. I mean, again, it's in my basement right now, so we'll figure that out. I have to set some things up. No, it's not the fifth time. It's the first time because you didn't know I had it yet. Don't lie to me, Snotty. Don't you dare lie to me. Yeah, we talked about it once. Because I told you I got it. It's okay. We will do that one of these days. It might be like the first weekend stream. Yeah, the first like official weekend stream. It's probably a good time to do it. That's gonna be like a week or two out. Uh, let's go here. Make this bigger. All right. So what's the next thing I'm working on after? Oh, it was the fifth time you asked me. Okay, fair enough. It was definitely the fifth time you asked me to look up Discord. It's just I've been only half paying attention to chat. It is literally the fifth time you asked me to look at Discord. Wow. Oh, that's what you meant by toaster. Okay. Oh man, I am slow, man.
I am slow. Anyway, let's get some stuff done. Oh right, where's the sound stuff that you made, Henry? If you're still there, did you did you save it somewhere? All right, have it go on Licks. Yeah, good luck on the rest of your project. Henry, where's the sound thing you said you did? Yeah, I should fix that. So what I really want to do is get this can press accept through input amount from the trade menu. This would apply anywhere where a menu pops up. All right, this is going to be in trade, in client-sided trade. Client, module client, trade. This is initialized here. Looks like it is. Yeah. A lot of text box stuff here. That you do. How did you make the crab armor if you didn't retopologize the crab armor? It just ended up being less, and you didn't even do anything to change it? Gotcha. All right, so accept and cancel have to be accept is equal to nil, cancel is equal to nil. Self.accept is equal to that. Self.cancel is equal to that. Okay. Okay, it's not the text box that I have to worry about. Oh, here we go. Initialize text box frames. Maybe this is it. Else self.accept is equal self.cancel dot what is this button? I think it's active. Yeah, active is equal to false. Active is equal to false, and then the opposite down here. You're definitely getting better at that. At it. The more you do it, the better you get at it. Just how it is. How everything is, really. All right, unfortunately, I can't actually test that for now. But that should... So this applies in trade now. The next thing I need to make this apply in is the shop trades. Let me actually see what it looks like when I try to actually mess with it. So I'm going into the game, going to the NPC shop. Yo, that load screen actually helps a lot. Also, I'm going fast. Wow. Maybe I have to nerf the I am Speedy Gonzalez over here. Let's go. Whee! Okay, we go here. Check wares. So if I go here to buy... Yeah. Like auto buy stuff. Oh, and I just lost all of my money because I accidentally auto bought everything. No. Oh no. Okay, so I have an idea what I have to do. Welcome back, Henry. I had a question for you, but I messaged you, right? So you would have seen my question already. Oh, you already sent me. Right, okay. Well, I'll take a look at that after I fix this. Stop. Yeah, I saw it, Henry. I saw it. Turn my fan off now. I'm getting a little chilly. Are they? Let's go. Let's go, players playing Acorn Adventure. Nobody's active. No, you are incorrect. What do you mean the only game you could play with Discord and Twitch? I think sometimes Roblox kind of messes up those statistics. Oh, nice. Good. So it's the only game that doesn't have a memory leak for you. Don't you not even like the game type, Henry? All right. Oh, does it? Interesting. I mean, I guess that's fine. Yeah, I mean, my game does have economy, just not a big one yet. So where are we going? We going to the shop GUI, NPC shops GUI with plural S. Okay. Buys is equal to table. Sells is equal to table. So what I'm going to have to do is I'm going to have to insert all of the buy buttons in buys and all the sell buttons in sells. And when the amount tab pops up, I have to make it so that all of the buys and sells are essentially deactivated. And then when you confirm it, when you leave that particular menu, they are reactivated. Actually, no. This applies to all interactables. So this has to be at the very least the buttons on the top where you change your inventory, and it has to be the buy buttons. You shouldn't be able to buy while this is up. You shouldn't be able to interact with the other things while this is up. Well, with the inventories while this is up. In the tutorial place, I think I'm just gonna have the sun. If you're gonna model something, I believe I already have an axe, a sword, and a spear. So if you want to model something, model a bow, and maybe like a staff. Let me think about this, Snotty. So for the tutorial place, like I kind of want it to be bright because I feel like people would be more interested in staying longer if it's bright. Which is why I was thinking I'll just have it like in the outdoors. Yeah, I'm gonna have to start making that tutorial place really soon, because I guess my goal is gonna be to release that tutorial place after the boss and before the next area, or really like at the same time as the next area, so it can be before the next area, because that can be like a standalone thing. So after I finish the boss, I'll work on the tutorial place. After I work on the tutorial place, I'll work on the 3 additional systems: the pet, market, and equipment enhanced system. Then once those 3 systems are done, we'll be working on the NPCs in the new area, and then finishing up any quest situation, any a story situation. Because right now is basically gonna be the boss and starting the story stuff. So I have to make cutscenes. Yeah. So for now, I don't want to think too much about the tutorial place until the story stuff and the cutscene stuff is done. What are you supposed to do? Of the things that I said need to be done, bro, Henry, you can start making the NPCs for the main hub island. You know how many NPCs I need for that? A lot. Just like put a bunch of NPCs in front of their houses, put some other random NPCs elsewhere, and then put like a bunch of guards that would be like walking back and forth along the path around the castle. When I say along the path, though, it would be behind where the player walks, so the player would always walk in front of them. Yeah, you would be in the 3rd area. Yeah, you'd be in the area that is not released until after the boss is done. Um, yeah. Yep. The 4th. Yeah, I guess the 4th area, because the 3rd area, I guess, is the boss area. Oh, you're talking about like where in the actual thing. Places. 4. Yeah, you'd be Central Island. Yep. If you can start putting the NPCs around Central Island, I would be greatly appreciative. Please do not add any scripts within the NPCs, or have any scripts in the NPCs if you use toolbox stuff. And make sure, if it's not already in the place, make sure you create an NPC folder and make sure all of the NPCs are in that folder. Also, I don't think you've been here for this, so now I'm going to yell at you. You see this guy over here? This beautiful Alden over here? The first guy you made? Why is he an R6? Everyone else is an R16. I literally had to go into his humanoid root part and anchor him because as soon as the game would start for everybody else, he'd collapse and fall down. So like Alden's the only one that I have to manually stop. It's really funny. Anyway, that was me yelling at you. It's fixed for now, but I kind of will probably make him an R16 later. Or R15, not 16. Does it? No, I don't think it has a script. Pretty sure it doesn't have a script. No, but it just like collapses because I like the like what I uses a uses R15, not R6, so like I think something messes up with the physics engine. Because the humanoid, I think, is made for... Yeah, this is R6 here. I don't get why it happens. All I know is that it happens and it's annoying. Alright, anyway. That's enough of complaining about Alden. Alden's not that bad. It's all good. It's all good. Now we go back to... Yeah. And... Yeah, fix the shop. Yeah, so for the guards, you can forego the guards, so you don't need the guard stuff yet. For the guards, you can kind of just place them around and ignore the armor stuff. I will be making the armor for them specifically. That will be later. Because they're gonna have to have. I think they're gonna have black and yellow colors. Oh, at least the commanders will have black and yellow colors. I think the regular guys are just going to use the squire armor that I already have. I just have to rig it. I'll bring it in and rig the squire armor. You don't have to make him move left and right at all. I'll make him move left and right. Because I kind of want to do something with them moving. If I even have them move, I want to do something with them moving. In terms of like quests and things. Yeah. Okay. Else. True. Oh yeah, there's gonna be a lot more to the shop. It's just right now this is like the earliest stages of stage of the shop. Like the additional things for the shop will be um, like the minor stuff is the customizable armors. It's armors that don't give stats. It's just for customization purposes. It's pets. So the pets, I haven't fully decided what I want to do with the pets. I still don't know if I want to add stats to the pets, if I want to add attacks to the pets, um, or if I do add stats to the pets. I think I might actually have stats to the pets, but because I already have that the idea with the merging dupes to get a higher tier pet, because I'm definitely gonna do the tiered pet system. I just need to figure out what I want to add for the higher tiers. It might actually just be like you can go up to tier 9 and every tier higher is just better stats, and you can drop tier 2 pets and maybe you can buy so I'm just thinking now like what I could probably do is make it so that, and please shut me down if you hate this idea entirely. I could probably make it so that for pets, there's like a gacha kind of system where you summon a pet, and the pet can be between tier 2 and tier like 6 or something. Yeah, and that way. Fair enough, Bob. Tell your mom to hit you twice for me. Um, yeah. Yeah, and Henry, I do also plan on adding NPC animations. Yeah, sorry, I'm also thinking about the thing at the whole gotcha thing at the same time. I don't know how much of that I actually want in the game though. Honestly, it's probably better than other gotcha things simply because you can technically do like everything for free too by just getting pets from drops at tier 1. I already have a premium currency, Henry. Okay, I guess new plan for pets. Yeah, new plan for pets. For now, we're gonna make the pet tiers go up to tier 9. The pets that you drop, you can either drop tier 1 pets at a very, very low rate from any monster. You can also drop tier 2 pets from bosses. Merging 2 pets gives you a 10% chance to tier it up, and a 90% chance to just keep one of the pets and you lose the other one. Rolling on the pet gacha will get you at least a tier 3 pet and at most a tier 6 pet. And then maybe I could also have special events where the tiers shift. So it's like when rolling on gacha, you can have like at least a tier 4 pet and at most a tier 7 pet for like maybe weekends or something. Or actually, no, I won't increase the high end. What I'll do is I'll get rid of the low end, or I'll make it so that it's tier 4 to tier 6 instead of tier 3 to tier 6, something like that. Those would be special events anyway. I wouldn't be coding them into the the beginning. Those will come later. I'm just thinking of what I could do with it. And then that way, with each... And then I can also have a method that you can craft in alchemy or purchase in the shop to reroll the stats on your pet. I'm writing this down, by the way. Give me a sec. Alright, so pets, tiers 1 to 9, 1 droppable from monsters, 2 droppable from elites, 3 droppable from bosses, we'll say, 4 to 6 is equal to gotcha, 7 to 9 obtainable through pet fusion. And then we can get pet stats can be anything, can reroll pet stats using a potion you can craft or buy in shop. Send it to me in Discord. Because right now, my only idea of raids is just a DPS check where it's like, there's one big monster, and it's exclusively for guilds, and this is not going to come out until after the second, until after the second area is done. It's an idea for guilds where you go in, you fight a big monster, and you try to deal as much damage to it as possible before it kills you. It doesn't do much damage in the beginning, but over time it increases the damage it deals you, and that's pretty much it. And basically, the guild damage is totaled up per individual. Hi, Smiley. What's going on, man? So yeah, that's my idea for it for now, Snotty. Maybe I could also make it so that if you go into the fight with multiple guild members, then for each additional guild member you deal 10% extra damage or something. So that incentivizes people going into the raid boss at the same time. I actually like that idea a lot. I'm writing that down. Raid boss idea for each additional guild member that joins at the same time, plus, let's say 5% damage up to... What should it be? Should it be like 50, so 10? So up to 10 people damaging it at the same time? I'm going to say up to 50% for now. Sure, man. Are you going to send it to me on Discord? Oh, creepy. This one's actually... It's okay. I'm not a big fan of this one actually. The one on the left is pretty good. Oh, OG to mine. Okay, so yeah, that's the OG. So one of the problems I see with it is the two lines in the middle, like connecting the eye to the mouth. That, like, the first time I saw that, I thought those were the eyes, and I thought the eye on top was like a toupee. Can you see it? I'm just being honest. All right, let me reposition myself a little bit here. Anyway, let's get back to this. How many? Oh, this is right. Okay, that's a little bit different. Buy sell activated. Self dot buttons table dot insert do the same thing here. Table dot insert self dot buttons self dot table dot insert self dot buttons. What are we doing? Buy sell. Are these the only 3 places these exist? All right. I'm gonna have to create 3 tables here. This is gonna have to be the sell buttons, the buy buttons. I think that's actually it. It's just the sell buttons and the buy buttons, and then the it would be under initialize, right? No, it's not. Then Where do I do that? Open shop? What did I do here? Why did I do this? I guess it's fine. It works. I think I understand why I did it. I could probably figure out a better way to do it, but I'm not going to change it now. Oh, I just saw your other stuff. What is it? Ooh. Let's I'll watch that later. Little fun Pikachu sketch. I like it. Pikachu. All right. We do player connections. Table.clear. It's gonna be self.buttons dot inventory tabs. Inventory tabs is equal to table beautiful. Alright, yeah, I'll read it after the stream. Take a look. It's not that long. I'll read it really quickly now. I see what you're saying. It could be a mode, yeah. This could be like an alternative party quest kind of thing. Like you do it with a party. Yeah, I like it. I don't know nobody else knows what I'm talking about right now, but we'll see. But yeah, it'll basically be like some of the party quests I was thinking of, except just takes you through the entire island. That's yeah, that could be like a secondary party quest. Or actually, it could probably be like the initial party quest. Like the party quest, it will be to uh, clear Spring Island, for example, and do exactly what you said. Go through everything, kill all the monsters, and then at the end, yeah, you kill the boss with your party. Yeah, it's not a bad idea. Also makes it so that I don't have to think about specific different quests for party quests. I also want to do specific different quests for party quests, but this one also makes sense. Anyway, where's connections? Oh wait. So I need the connections, but I also need the buttons specifically. For I, comma v. Actually, no, we just do table dot clear self dot buttons dot inventory tabs. Okay. What are you coding, Henry? Don't code anything for the new area. Not yet. Oh, so ultimately raids will be based on like your power level. So like the only raids like actual raids I'm thinking of are the guild raids, which will be up to 20 minutes, but you're probably going to die within 10. Or what I'll do is I'll make it deal more damage based on based on how much damage you've dealt to it already. But yeah, that's not coming out for a few updates, so I should stop thinking about that for now. Wait, what is this doing? it's connecting it. Right. Okay, that's fine. I'm gonna try once. Let's see if once works. It actually doesn't matter. In this case, it doesn't matter. Henry, code the thing we were talking about before with the what's it called, mesh. The editable mesh. Make a beautiful ocean. Um, like I already have the plans for the main things. Oh, you want to code you want to code a little mini game where you start on the left side and you're in a little boat and then you have to move to the right side to get to the island or something? As like the mini game you take to get from one island to the other. Yeah, that's all I can think. That's all I can think of. All right, go for it. Self dot buttons dot inventory tabs table dot insert comma v. Clear by side. All right. Table dot clear. Table dot clear self dot buttons dot buy. Oh, I don't think Henry's in that other place. I mean, it's okay. So Henry, do what you think will be best. I'll take a look at it and I'll change it completely. That's how we work here. It's all good. Henry just wants an excuse to do something. It's all good. You're not gonna waste your time. If you make it well, then I'll use it. But I probably will have to change it a little bit. It will take some time to get it in the game, but it will be... There was some kind of plan to have it in the game anyway. Alright. Let's do some testing here. Comma v in button type do. This is going to be true. Are you actually showing Henry the thing? Because I was just planning on seeing what Henry does and kind of going off of that. Oh my gosh, that was really cool. Okay, so if I do like perfectly timed, oh my gosh, if I do perfectly timed jumps, then you go all the way up to the top. That's cool. Oh, I think the answer is technically both, because what I'll probably end up doing in the long run is going to be the 3D thing. But I might do the 2D thing just as a for now kind of situation, if you get what I'm saying. So ultimately I would want to do the 3D thing. So yeah. Ultimately I'd want to do some kind of 3D thing. But it would still be 2D because you wouldn't really be jumping anywhere. Why what? Yeah, we can go 3D then. Yeah, 3D. Alright. where's... Oh, that's why. Self.buttons dot buy. Self.buttons dot buy. All right, where's sell? Where's load inventory? Is that down here? Open shop. You understand the import tables, the initialization, the ordering. I'm glad I was able to ruin your brain. Mwahaha. Oh, this is what I was looking for. Okay, it was all hidden. That's why I couldn't find it. Oh, silly goose. All right. Clear cell side. Insert buttons dot cell. Invite. Okay, let me open it up then. Open from Roblox. I forget which one it was. Let me try to find it. Let me test this thing first, though. Check where's. Buy. Alright, cool. It still doesn't work. This part still doesn't work. Okay. Well, yeah, that I kind of ruined it when I clicked these buttons. I'll have to figure that out. That's really, really aggravating. Print self dot buttons. Oh, sorry. I'll find it. Experiences. Um. Wow, I actually just can't find it. Oh, it's this one. Literally the first one. It's where I made the scythes. Let's add. What's your name on Roblox again, Henry? Big Henry. Okay. You've been invited. It's called Aerostyle Devs Place 011822025, which is when it was made. This is the place with the scythes with the fire in the back. Of course, Bop put I lurk or exclamation point lurk. Funny. What a funny guy that Bop is. That was Bop, and he used a plugin or something. Bop also made all the chairs. Oh, also he brought all the chairs in. Nice. And his armors. Just bringing in all the assets, basically. Bop's portfolio, I guess. Haha. It's funny. Alright. Where do I want to go again? Oh, let's go to the scythes. And just leave. I'm leaving this place now. Yeah. Alien has like a thing set up there. For it. I think he wanted to show you. Sorry, I'm trying to make sure that this buy issue doesn't happen. Or this buy and sell issue doesn't happen. So inventory connections. Let me make sure. Clear sell side. Okay, now I'll see what is here. Tempire? Yeah, Tempire. Check the wares. Oh my gosh, it's getting late. Yikes. Buy. What did I change to make this work? I just added the... Alright, so now it works. It's just this buyback thing doesn't work now. Also, I think... Oh, that was before... Okay, so it was before it changed. That explains a lot. Oh, dang it. Wait, no, I can just do. So that one's actually gonna be easy. I'll fix that later. So this is fine now. It's just I need to make sure. I think what I'm gonna do with it is like the first time you go to a place you have to do it, and then every other time it's optional. And doing it like gets you a chance at getting like some stuff. So like maybe like I can make it like a little mini game where you have to dodge some things, uh and if you find like quote unquote treasure on the way, then you get something. That you are, Henry. That you are. If you need to learn how to use a data store, just ask me any question you have with a data store, because that's actually really easy. Uh, like because of how I code. Like doing all the data store updates and data store stuff is really easy in Acorn Adventure. I set it up like that. And also, the guy that I took the data store thing from is actually pretty good too. It's actually brain dead easy. Like you'll be fine. You shall be fine. Go for it. Brainstorming is what we need. So let's refresh player inventory. I think this might be... Is it open shop? That's inventory collect shop option connections. This is the one that I wanted to find. Table dot clear shop option connections. Awesome. We get that. We get that. Save. That's fine. This never has to be redone, right? Yeah, no, okay, good. Then we can add another one. Shop tabs is equal to table. This one actually doesn't change though. Inventory connections, shop option connection. Okay. Table dot clear self dot buttons dot shop tabs. Yeah, sure. Table dot insert self dot buttons dot shop tabs, that, and just copy and number 2 here. Let's play. Can you write it in Discord, not on Twitch chat? Because when I close Twitch chat in like 5 to 10 minutes, I'm not gonna see it. Yo, why? So, I'm so confused. Why does it work sometimes and not other times? Or rather, I guess, is it the first time that it doesn't work? Yo, I love my loading screen. I'm gonna be honest. Oh, I think I know why. Because that's inventory connections, and I do it here. Table insert, yes, but I don't do it down here. Okay, alright. Okay, alright. Okay, alright. I got it now. I got it now. I have a feeling I have to change something else here too. No, actually, it's fine. Yo, what's going on here, Henry? Why are you spamming chat? About Sandstorm, ask Snotty that. That's a question for him. Bop asked the same question. All right, man. Have a good sleep, dude. Ciao. I'm about to head off myself right after I fix this, which should actually be fixed now. But I also want to move this. Because for whatever reason it bothers me. I'm pretty sure this is wrong here. There's one more thing I have to fix after this, but yeah, these are all really quick fixes. I just needed to actually find out what was going on. Check where's by. Oh, it is actually fine. So now what I have to do is I have to make sure I can't do that. Leave, cancel, X. And that is going to be in the NPC script. It's going to be the NPC script, because this is what opens it up in the first place. Do I have player GUI here somewhere? We go down here. Dialogue starto. Dialogue start. Okay, so I just added here. I say if NPC folder, yep, and GUI NPC dialog GUI is enabled equals false, and self.gui dot wait, oh no. No. Self.gui dot NPC shop GUI is equal to the GUI dot, what is it called? NPC shop GUI. Sure. Enabled is equal to false. That should be it. And if this does what I believe it does, then I will end the stream here. Because that is all for today, folks. I'm gonna check where's. I'm gonna try to open. Nope, you can't do it anymore. Move here. No, you can't do it anymore. Now buy back. Go here. Do this. Do that. Do that. Do that. Do that. I could probably even turn off. Okay, so this is good. This is good. NPC shops GUI. I could even turn off the auto button color. We do local function. Actually, this is here. v dot auto button color is equal to false. V dot auto button color is equal to true. Yeah, that's fine. Let's do the same with the player trade, client trade. Auto button color.
All right, we're gonna have to test. We're gonna have to test the trading in a bit.
But yeah, that should be it. Is there anything else I really want to change immediately? Oh right, one more thing. I still got a little bit of time until the top of the hour. It's gonna be this thing. I want to know I see. Oh, wait. Oh. Okay, so this is actually a kind of funny little situation where I have to make this background transparency 1. Then I have to wait for this image label to load, and when this image label loads, I can then make the background transparency of this 0. Yeah, that's a fun little thing over there. So this is in replicated first. Let me see how I can do that. Roblox, wait for image to load. Okay, so after GUI is enabled. Alright, this is a fun little situation here now. After GUI is enabled, yo, what? What? Get out of here. Okay. It's confusing as hell. So after GUI is enabled, we do GUI dot, oh, make that small. Frame dot frame dot image label is loaded. While task.spawn function and do false to task.wait. And we do GUI.frame.background transparency is equal to 0. Yes. Let's see if that works. Nope. Okay, to be fair, I didn't actually read the whole thing. So it did error out. Image is equal to image label. Maybe that's what it is. Stop. Play. Looks like it worked. Make sure it's also true. Okay. That way we don't have random things. Yeah, I'm gonna stop streaming now. I was just making sure that this thing works. Yes. Okay, beautiful. So now, once I push this update, the way you're gonna be able to load into the game is I press play. It's gonna be black screen almost immediately. Black screen loading core, do all that jazz, and we're in the game. Let's go! I also made it so that you can't, so today I did that, I finished that rather, I started that on Monday, and I made it so that when you're in, like, shops like this, when you're buying something and this thing pops up, you can't, like, accidentally buy and sell and things. It doesn't even let you move things. You have to cancel and then you can move around. And then like sell and buy back. Which is important. You also, while this is open, you also can't talk to this guy again. Whereas before you could. So I did that. That should also be updated on trades, like player-to-player trades. But I have to test that still. I could probably test it with you, Snotty. We could probably do that later. I don't want to do it right now. It's getting late. I'm gonna get off. And yeah, I'll take a look at the other bugs, and we'll figure it out. All right. I'm off, guys. Have a good night. Bye.